Rams fan across the globe. My name is African Princess Rams. I'm a YouTuber based in Kasane, Botswana. I'm a mother of 4 amazing handsome boys. My channel is all about lifestyle, travel, motivation, and healthy relaxed hair. Thank you guys so much for always trusting in me. Please consider subscribing. I really appreciate your effort. Stay tuned. In today's topic, I'm going to show you how I use onion juice to revive my hairline, guys. I don't know if you guys can see this, but my hairline was so bad. I was thinking of cutting my hair until I watched Daily BS video on YouTube, guys. She was talking about using onion juice on natural hair. Then I commented and asked her if that onion juice I can use on my hair. All this time I was not using, I was just taking lemon like it is, then I rub on my scalp like this. But now that I have time, I'm going to grate it and make a spray out of it. I'm going to grate this and make a spray. So I'm going to do it together with you guys. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can see. Yes, this is the grater. I'm going to put the juice in here. Then I sieve and put it on the spray so that every day I can apply, because if I was rubbing onion like this, at times I'll feel like I'm not, something that distracts me, because a spray you can do, then you go to work, then you sleep. But rubbing, it's a lot of it requires a lot of hard. I begin to
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you, not doing well. Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would.
The onion is too strong. But this is basically how I do it. I've been using this for the past, like, I think week. But look at my edges, they're coming back. They're coming back and they're coming back stronger. If you don't mind, the smell of onion, you can do it every day. There's no problem. If you mind using it and leaving in, you can spray, then wash. You can wash it off if you feel like it's, yeah. Now we can cover with the dough rack. Then we sleep, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is basically how I use onion juice to revive my hair. No, wait. After doing that, I apply the hair food. I apply the hair food. I apply the hair food, guys. Just wait. I'm going to show everything on the camera because I don't want you to think that Your girl is lying. Then I'll just apply this hair food. This hair food was from Nigeria. I lost the plastic, but it was from Nigeria. It was made from Nigeria. It was sold by my hairstylist, the one that I used to wear to a hair salon to do my hair. This hairstyle that I'm having was done by 15-year-old. A 15-year-old little girl. Is it 14 or 15? I'm not sure, but I think her age range just right there. Right there, guys. So guys, this is it. This is it. I'm going to leave this hairstyle maybe for, I don't know, as much as it takes me. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. This is usually what I use to cover my hair. It's a do-rag. A do-rag. You use a satin bonnet, a satin scarf, or this do-rag. This is the same do-rag I was using to see my onion juice, so it's, I cover my hair. I'll cover my hair like this. I don't know, you guys can see. Yeah. And you're done for the day. Tomorrow morning I repeat the same process and just brush and go to work. My hair is revived, guys. It feels so good, so fresh, no itching, no breakage, less breakage. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much, Daily Beer, for sharing with us this amazing recipe, amazing tip. It's so cheap, as you guys can see. The onions that I bought here are 6.25, but that spray is going to last me maybe 2 weeks. I don't know. I'm going to put it where it cannot get rotten. So thank you, guys. I love you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Tell me how you feel about that, about everything, about the crying of the eyes. Bear with me. That's the reality. Undiluted video. So guys, bye.